Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to do general love reading for water sign Pisces. This is weekly reading. This is general, may or may not resonate to everyone. So let's see your recent past Pisces. Okay, 8 of Wands. Knight of Cups. Ace of Pentacles. Wow, your recent past was very good, definitely, because you both are in good terms, definitely. And there is long-term commitment, there is love, and there is communication in past. So let's see what is going on your connection right now. Six of Pentacles. Queen of Pentacles. Lot of earth energy. You or your person could be Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus. Ten of Cups. Wow. I think in past there is no equal give and take in this connection, but one person in this connection want to offer equal give and take. Definitely they want to share their love and everything to the other person, but in past there is no equal give and take. And Ten of Cups, yeah, they want this happiness with you, or you want this happiness with your person. Let's see some more messages. Chariot. Ten of Wands. Judgment. Yeah, I think one person in this connection feeling very overburdened. Ten of Wands, but they want to things to next level, to take things to next level. Definitely they want movement in this connection. Judgment. Definitely those who are in separation, there is a chance for reconciliation. So let's see, Spices, your person near future actions towards you. Nine of Pentacles. Devil. Knight of Swords. Okay, lot of cards are. Three of Wands. I think your person want to take action, but they don't want to take action. They don't want, because there are some devil energies here. I think you both are obsessed with each other, or your person could be obsessed with you. Definitely this could be long distance relationship. Also Three of Wands, waiting. You are waiting for your person messages or calls, whatever. But Knight of Swords, they want to communicate, they want to come towards you, but right now they don't want to take any action, because they stand by their power. They are controlling their emotions. They know how to control their emotions now. In past they don't know how to control their emotions, but now they are in this mode. Nine of Pentacles. This means they don't want any relationship. Not that they want, but they are emotionally independent now. Yeah, waiting. Something you person also waiting for you to take action towards them. Definitely it has two meanings. They are also waiting for you to take action towards them. So let's pull some more cards from universe for final message, Spices. Okay, the World and Four of Swords. Yeah, Sagittarius reading also got more cards like this. Yeah, Four of Swords. I think your person thinking about you a lot, but not taking action. That is I am already told you. World. Definitely some cycles are going to be and Three of Swords, and under the deck Page of Swords. Definitely your person is heartbroken due to some reasons in past. That's why they are thinking, not taking any action. They are working on their self right now. Some cycles are going to be, and you are working on yourself right now. So energy could be vice versa, it depend upon your situation. Definitely there is some obsession in this connection. It has to be ended, then this relationship is going to be next level. I think your person right now want to communicate, but they don't want, because they are thinking and they are in rest mode, and they are now emotionally independent. Final card, Nine of Swords. Yeah, one person in this connection is very insecure, not sleeping at night times. They are overthinking. One person in this connection, I think it could be you Spices, because your person is very independent and emotionally stable right now. So this is the reading for you, Spices. Hope it resonates to you. Please do share, like, and subscribe my channel. Please do support me, guys. Bye.